Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do hard reset in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to about phone, and here you will see reset option. Okay, otherwise go to general management, and here you will see reset. Click it, and here you have to select factory data reset. Click on reset, and it will ask you a pattern for confirmation. Do it, and the factory data reset will do erasing all your personal information and downloaded apps. Okay, it cannot be recovered if you do so. Data that has been backed up to SD card won't be erased. Okay, if you take backup to the SD card, then it will not erase. You can restore SD card data using smart switch after the reset. Okay, click on delete all. If you have done everything, that is everything backup, then you can click on done, and reset will be done now. Just wait. Erasing all data now. Just you have to wait. And it restarted. Samsung Galaxy logo appears. Just wait, it will restore. Still waiting. It may take up to 5 or more minutes, so you can do other works during this time. I have recorded this video live, so I cannot cut the video, and I will upload this video. I am directly speaking when I am doing the demo. I am not giving any voice over, so everything I do in a real time. Yes, it's done, and click on start. Now you can set up your phone like a fresh one, and click on agree to all. And click on skip. If you want to choose a network to connect, as of now you can select a network, otherwise click skip. Just a few moments, just you have to wait. Just wait. Just a few moments. Just wait. And here it will ask you to copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more. If you don't want, click on don't copy. Here you can set date and time. Okay, automatically here it is detected correct date and time, so I click on next. And here is Google services. Just accept Google services, and here protect your phone. You can set now face recognition, fingerprints, pattern, pin, password, etc. As of now, I skip this step, and you can later also set your pattern and click on skip anyway. Please wait. Get recommended app, click on next. Now you can sign in into your Samsung account. It will help you to recover your phone in case you lost it. Otherwise, click skip. As of now, I click on skip. Click on finish. Yes, all setup is done, and your phone is ready to use now. Click on OK. Click on agree. Your phone will load all default apps. Yes, I have previously installed WhatsApp, and it's vanished now. It is erased. So all others like Crick Hero and other app, my personal apps, are now erased. These are all the default apps that are showing. Okay. So in this way, you can easily do hard reset or factory data reset in your phone, Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.